activated. At this point of time in the mission, the launch vehicle would have acquired 2.1 kilometers per second relative velocity. For the present mission, the burn time for GS2 is 140 seconds. It is separated 4 minutes 53 seconds into the flight. The third stage is the cryogenic upper stage, which plays a significant role in the mission. Its high specific impulse, together with a long burn time of more than 13 minutes, it adds tremendous relative velocity to the operation adds 376.55 kilometers
stand
in
by
altitude
for the time mark.
and increases relative velocity from 3.5 kilometers per second to 7.5 kilometers per second. An operational philosophy unique to the GSLV F-16 NISR mission is that CUS stage is operated by 11% for the duration of 405 seconds. About 11 minutes into flight, the cryogenic upper stage shuts down. The satellite NISR is separated to be injected into an altitude of 745.5 kilometers with a relative velocity of 7.57 kilometers per second.
Minus 25 seconds.
We are mere 25 seconds from the launch.
Minus 20 seconds.
सभी दर्शक हमारे साथ बने रहिए.
Minus 15 seconds.
So please stay tuned with us.
देखेंगे.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All L40 engines generating nominal thrust. S139 motor ignited.
5 seconds.
That's a magnificent of the GSLV F-16 NISR mission. The deafening roar of GSLV and beautiful silhouette brightening the Sriharikota sky.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा चारों
You see L40
सफल प्रज्वलन और GSLV
successful launching.
की ओर बढ़ता हुआ.
This is going to the destination.
हम यहाँ कंपन महसूस कर पा रहे हैं.
We are experiencing the vibration here in this mission station.
S139 solid core motor and 4 L40 liquid strap-ons thrusting together. 7,800 kilonewton cumulative thrust.
First stage performance normal.
Sharon is in main auto.
The day of launch wind biasing program that is fed into the onboard computers helped the rocket to veer through the atmosphere with minimal aerodynamic loads.
प्रथम चरण का कोर बूस्टर लगभग
The first stage core booster will be ignited.
L40 चरण
L40 stage,
सेकंड तक प्रज्वलित
150 seconds.
पश्चात इसे
It will be calm. So after that, it will be separated from the craft.
अपने अपेक्षित पथ का अनुकरण करता हुआ
First stage performance normal.
Currently, the rocket is in open loop guidance. Shar ground station is tracking.
S139 burnout.
कोर बूस्टर का प्रज्वलन समाप्त हो चुका है.
So it has been completed. The
Operations director that the
ignition of core booster.
booster has stopped its operation. The 4 L40s are thrusting still.
First stage performance normal.
प्रथम चरण का कार्य निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य.
The first stage is normal. This is going to its launched direction. L40 is ignited. So it will be 50 seconds duration.
GS2 ignited. GS1 separated. 1S. IS 1/2 main separated.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने सुना रेंज
Yes, you saw.
पुष्टि की है.
Range operation director has
पृथक किया जा चुका है.
Payload pairing.
confirmed.
का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है.
The second stage ignition has been started.
The flight, the GS1 has undergone a hot separation and GS2 commenced its operation and thrusting nominally. The payload pairing has also been separated and closed loop guidance has been initiated.
जी हाँ, इस दौरान
Second
yes,
stage
in this
performance
हमें
normal.
वातावरण से बाहर, इसलिए पेलोड फेयरिंग या ऊष्मा कवच की आवश्यकता
payload fairing.
थी, इसलिए इसे यान से पृथक कर दिया जाता है।
So this has been separated
और
from
यान
the
गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है और स्वतः ही अपना दिशा
spacecraft.
निर्धारण कर रहा है।
And then this is going to its
Powered by
own
the Vikas
direction.
engine that uses the Earth storable propellant combination of UH-25 and N2O4. The second stage of GSLV develops 846 kilonewton thrust in vacuum. Burn time for this mission of GS2 is 140 seconds.
Plus 4 minutes.
दर्शकों का उत्साह देखते ही बनता है यहाँ पर।
So we are seeing the encouraging viewers here.
द्वितीय चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ अग्रसर
So
है।
second stage is in its normal ignition.
इसमें इस चरण में US-25
In
तथा
this
N2O4 ईंधन का प्रयोग किया जाता है।
in this stage, US-24 and N2 is used.
लगभग 150 सेकंड का होगा।
So around 150 seconds time
जैसा कि
for
हमने
this
पहले
ignition.
बताया था,
Like we previously mentioned, second stage.
द्वितीय चरण को अनुमोदित कर दिया जाएगा।
So after finishing the second stage, the third stage would be
Third stage or the
started.
GS2 thrust cutoff.
operation. The second
GS2
stage
separate.
has completed
Stage
its
ignition
operation and
commanded.
has been jettisoned from the ongoing vehicle.
द्वितीय चरण के सफलतापूर्वक प्रदर्शन के पश्चात
Second stage completion, successful completion has been achieved. This is the third stage, the last stage has been, this is the complex stage. So we can see the viewers
की ओर ले जाएगा।
The cryogenic
encouraging
upper stage has
viewers.
commenced its operation.
Cryo stage operating at operated level.
The Cus stage with CE 7.5 engine with liquid hydrogen as fuel and liquid oxygen as oxidizer with a nominal thrust of 73.55 kilonewton. In this mission, there will be a thrust upratement of 11%, that is
Cryo stage performance normal.
4 kilonewtons for about 405 seconds.
Plus 6 minutes.
वर्तमान में तृतीय चरण क्रायो अपर स्टेज
This is the third stage,
75 किलोन्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है।
75 kilonewton
लगभग
ignition.
850 मिनट सेकंड्स तक जारी रहेगा।
So this will be continued for 850 seconds.
वर्तमान में सापेक्ष गति 3.49 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड तथा
So
ऊंचाई
currently the relative velocity is 3.49 kilometer per second.
Cryo stage performance normal.
Altitude of 528 kilometers. Char and Trivandrum stations continue to extend tracking and telemetry support. When the cryo stage had commenced action, the instantaneous relative velocity was 3.5 kilometers per second. By the end of thrust upratement, it becomes 4.5 kilometers per second. For the next 400 seconds that follow, there is a significant addition in the relative velocity of up to 7.5 kilometers per second.